Hi children, welcome to my class. I'm teacher Purani. Today I will be guiding you to learn about an experiment. So, today we are going to learn about heat conductor and insulator from the topic properties of material. Aim of the activity today is to determine the properties of materials that can conduct heat. Materials that we need will be an aquarium, skewers, achieve tape, stopwatch, and hot water. If you do not have aquarium, you can simply replace it with any container which is available at your home. And please be careful when you are handling with hot water. Ask your parents' help. Testing objects that you need to prepare will be aluminum foil, balloon, popsicle sticks, ceramic spoon, leather string, plastic, polystyrene, and any other materials that you would like to test the heat conductor and insulating property of the material. Before go into the activity, it is important to know about the variables in this investigation. Manipulated variable in this experiment will be type of objects that we use to test. Responding variable will be the condition of the object before and after we put into the hot water. Constant variable will be the volume of hot water that we use or the time that we immerse each and every testing object into the hot water. Now let's get into the activity. Step 1. Attach the test object to a skewer with achieve tape. Step 2. Touch the top of each test object and determine its initial condition. Step 3. Fill the aquarium with hot water. Then soak the test objects carefully. Start the stopwatch. Step 4. After 2 minutes, touch the end of each object and compare its present condition to its initial condition. You can also conduct this activity by putting each and every testing object into different hot water container. Be careful when you are handling with hot water. Make sure you do this activity under adult supervision. Following video will show you how to conduct this activity clearly. First, you need to prepare all the materials for this experiment. Next, you have to attach all the objects to a skewer like this. Touch each object and determine the initial condition. First, pour the hot water into the container. observe the condition of the objects and record your findings in table. First, you While you are conducting this activity, don't forget to record your observation in the table. Please tick the condition of the object after being soaked in the observation table, and you have to state the reason, inference for your observation. What we can conclude from this investigation? Yes, materials which are made from rubber, wood, plastic, cow skin are heat insulators, and materials which are made from metals and ceramics are heat conductor. Alright children, now let's find out if you can find out what are the basic source and the materials for the tested objects in this investigation. Record your answers in the table below, and an example is given for one tested object here. So for each and every object, you must state the material and the basic source. Good luck! Thank you for joining me in this learning video. See y'all next time. Happy trying. Bye.